Punta Cana welcomes visitors all year round with its warm tropical climate and average temperatures between 77 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The best time to visit is from December to April, during the dry season, when skies are clear and the ocean is calm, perfect for beach days and water sports. For travelers seeking fewer crowds and lower prices, May to early June offers a quieter experience before the summer season begins. From July through October, Punta Cana can experience occasional tropical showers, but the lush greenery and warm Caribbean waters remain irresistible. Welcome to the breathtaking shores of Punta Cana. Today we'll embark on a stunning aerial journey captured in crisp 4K by drone. From white sandy beaches and turquoise waters to the vibrant hotel and resort zones, you'll experience the Dominican Republic's world-famous coastline like never before. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Our flight begins above Los Corrales Beach in the Bávaro area. This stretch of sand is lined with cozy beachfront apartments, boutique hotels, and lively beach clubs. Notice the gentle waves rolling in and the palm trees swaying in the warm Caribbean breeze. As we continue eastward, we approach the Melia Caribe Tropical area. Below, you can see expansive, all-inclusive resorts with lush gardens and winding pools that stretch almost to the shore. This section of Punta Cana is a favorite for travelers seeking luxury stays and direct beach access. Up ahead lies Playa Bibijagua, well known for its handicraft market and lively boat tours. Notice the colorful speedboats skimming across the waves. These waters are popular for parasailing, snorkeling, and excursions to nearby islands. Flying further, we glide over Bávaro Beach, often ranked among the top beaches in the world. Its wide shoreline and crystal clear waters make it a paradise for long walks, sunbathing, and water activities. From above, the view highlights both the natural beauty and the vibrant energy of the area. Here, we capture the famous leaning palm tree, Palmera para colgar tela. This iconic spot has become a favorite for vacation photos. From above, you can truly appreciate how this single palm has become a symbol of the... So whether you come for the sun-drenched beaches, the lively culture, or the fascinating history, Punta Cana offers something for every traveler. These skies remind us why this corner of the Caribbean has become a dream destination for people across the world. While Punta Cana is now known as a world-class resort destination, its history is deeply connected to the Dominican Republic's culture. The Bávaro area was once a quiet fishing village with miles of untouched coastline. Development began in the 1970s when pioneers saw the potential of its endless white sand and turquoise waters. Since then, Punta Cana has grown into one of the Caribbean's most visited regions, welcoming millions of travelers every year. Still, beyond the resorts, you'll find glimpses of Dominican traditions, music, dance, and cuisine that reflect the island's rich blend of Spanish, African, and Taino heritage. Flying further, we glide over Bávaro Beach, often ranked among the top beaches in the world. Its wide shoreline and crystal clear waters make it a paradise for long walks, sunbathing, and water activities. The flight now takes us over ocean blue and sand and the Arena Blanca beach zone. The resorts here are framed by long stretches of golden sand and turquoise waters. Guests below are enjoying swimming, paddleboarding, and beach volleyball. From above, the view highlights both the natural beauty and the vibrant energy of the area. Here, we capture the famous leaning palm tree, Palmera para colgar tela. This iconic spot has become a favorite for vacation photos. From above, you can truly appreciate how this single palm has become a symbol of the beach lifestyle in Punta Cana. From the sky, the vibrant activity contrasts beautifully with the calm ocean horizon. As we reach the final stretch of our flyover, you'll notice many of the area's most popular all-inclusive resorts. Punta Cana has become a global destination for travelers who want both relaxation and adventure, and this bird's-eye view reveals just how perfectly the beachfront resorts are integrated into the natural landscape. Our aerial journey concludes as we drift along the coast, leaving behind one of the Caribbean's most spectacular vacation destinations. Whether it's the endless beaches, the luxury resorts, or the lively oceanfront activities, Punta Cana continues to inspire travelers from around the world. Thank you for joining All Cash Digital Studio Drone Flyover. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning aerial adventures.